In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss and control risk on Quotex. Before we start, a quick note on how risk works here. With Quotex options, your stake is essentially your maximum loss. There isn't a traditional stop loss order like you'd see in spot trading. So controlling risk means managing your entry conditions, time, and position size, and practicing your plan before committing real funds. First, open the Quotex demo trading page. Using the demo environment is the safest way to learn, test, and refine your approach without financial consequences. Make sure your chart is visible and the platform has fully loaded so the controls respond smoothly. Next, click on Pending Trade. Instead of jumping in at the current market price, a pending trade lets you predefine the conditions under which your order will activate. This is a powerful risk control habit because it prevents emotional entries and helps you wait for price to come to you rather than chasing moves. Now click on Period. Period determines the evaluation window for your trade setup. Choose a period that matches your strategy's rhythm. Shorter periods react to quick moves. Longer periods smooth out noise but require more patience. Consistency here helps you compare results over time and understand how timeframes affect your edge. Click on Range. By setting a range, you're telling the platform to trigger your pending trade only if price reaches your predefined zone. This helps you avoid unfavorable entries and improves your average fill quality. Place your range thoughtfully around areas of interest, such as support, resistance, or a prior consolidation, so your trade activates where your analysis says the odds are better. Select Up. This confirms the direction of your view. Only choose up when your criteria are met. Maybe a trend confirmation, a breakout through resistance, or alignment across indicators you trust. Remember, even when you're confident, your risk is capped by your stake, so resist the urge to oversize. Finally,